PL83 and PL87 pipe layers feature improved hydraulics that offer greater response and more precise control. A new heavy-duty winch works with the updated hydraulics for greater machine productivity. Ease of operation is enhanced as well with a single lever joystick that controls all of the functions of the pipe layer. The joystick is conveniently located on the right-hand console. A side-to-side lever controls the counterweight in and out. The yellow buttons to the left control the throttle in conjunction with the decelerator pedal. Pushing forward on the joystick moves the hook down. Pulling back on the joystick brings the hook up. Moving the joystick to the right raises the boom. Moving the joystick to the left lowers the boom. The single joystick lever allows the operator to control multiple pipe layer functions simultaneously for ease of operation.